In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a weekly newsletter in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank account to a polished email that's ready to send to your audience every week. First, log into your Mailerlite account and head over to the Campaigns tab. This is the central place where all your newsletters live. Think of it as your control hub for every email you send out. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area because you'll be coming back here often as you send newsletters on a regular basis. Next, we're going to create a new campaign. Click on the button that says Create Campaign, and when you're asked what type of campaign you want, choose Regular Campaign. This option is perfect for a weekly newsletter because it's designed for one-time sends like weekly updates, announcements, or roundups. After creating the campaign, click Next Content. Here's where the fun really starts. You can choose from one of Mailerlite's templates, or if you already have a saved template you like, you can select that. Templates save you time and help keep your branding consistent from week to week. Once you've picked one, use the drag and drop editor to build out your newsletter. Add text blocks for your main content, images to make things visual, buttons for your calls to action, and even video blocks if you're sharing video content. Try to keep sections clear and scannable so your readers can quickly find what's important. Now let's fill in the details that your subscribers will actually see in their inbox. Give your campaign an internal name so you can recognize it later, like Weekly Newsletter, March Week 1. Then, write a compelling subject line that grabs attention and add a short pre-header that teases what's inside. Set your sender information so people know who the email is from, and then choose who will receive it. You can send to all subscribers or target specific groups if you segment your list. From here, move into customizing the look and feel. Use the global settings to set your fonts and colors so they match your brand. Add personalization, such as using your subscriber's first name, to make the email feel more human. Also, check that your design looks good on both desktop and mobile, since many people will read your newsletter on their phones. Finally, review and send. Use the preview option to see how everything looks, and send a test email to yourself to catch any typos or layout issues. Once you're happy, either schedule your newsletter to go out at a specific time each week or send it immediately. And that's how you create a weekly newsletter in Mailerlite.